welcome you all back. This is Tarshika here. So today I'm going to talk about a deep dive into generative AI. So deeply, I'm going to cover about ChatGPT today. So in my previous video, I have talked about some various like generative AI tools such as LucidPic, Runway ML, and DALL-E 2, and ChatGPT. Today I'm going to cover about ChatGPT, like its use cases, what is ChatGPT, and how it can be used generally. Like in a day-to-day life, everybody has come across and encounter ChatGPT. ChatGPT is nothing but a AI chatbot that will generate responses like human does. ChatGPT was firstly developed by OpenAI, and it was also firstly known as GPT. GPT is nothing but a generator pre-trained transformer. We all know that. So, like, it is used in a text box. So, Chat GPT. So, like, how can we use Chat GPT? The most important thing is that the prompts and the questions we use. The prompts are nothing but the question we'll ask Chat GPT. See, like, we should be very precise in asking a question in Chat GPT. uh, the more specified the question, like the prompts, the more specified answer we will receive from like ChatGPT. Fine. So, so there are n number of use cases in ChatGPT. The first use case is that, like, if I want to explain a topic on gravity, say, like for a 10th standard kid, I will use the prompt is that like explain gravity for 10 standard kid. It will generate response for a 10 standard kid for his level of understanding. Can I see? So is it for so like if it is for like for 50 years person or 20-year person, it will I will generate it for like for a 10-year kid and for 50-year kid man or what. So it will generate responses according to that. Secondly, it is very useful for educational purposes like for development and research or project ideas. Like uh, like if I want to develop a project on AI, it will generate some outline for me to work with it. Then thirdly, it may be like very useful for like being an assistant and scheduling agent too. For example, like most of us encounter time management issues in a day-to-day life. Like if like most of his college timing is about 8:30 to 4 or 9 to 4 timings we have. After that we have like extracurricular activities, learning, and some stuff to do with our work. So we can ask ChatGPT to get some like schedule for my work. Yeah, it will definitely help with it. Then thirdly, it may be act as a therapist for us. Like we can talk with it. Then it will generate responses to our text also. So be specific with the prompt, like the prompts, like you're using. Be specific, and then we will receive some answers. So okay, fine. Let me catch up with the next interesting video and topic. We'll see. Thank you so much. Bye bye.